Hello, people. I hope you can see this table of verbs I did another day. So today I'm going to explain how to use these tenses. Remember, simple, continuous, perfect, perfect, continuous, for conjugations of the indicative. Of the indicative. We are not talking about subjunctive, imperative, infinitive. It's just the indicative. It's just indicative. We have three moods. Subjunctive, indicative, and imperative. We're gonna talk about the indicative. So when I use the present simple, I use the present simple for things that I do generally I do. For example, I sell I sell apples in the market every day. It's a thing that I do anytime, any day. So it's not something that I'm doing today. It's something that I do anytime. Anytime. I generally do. Uh, I sell oranges in the grocery. Yeah, they sell oranges in the grocery. It's something that they do. They sell oranges in the grocery. Now, the past simple, I need to say the time, or the time is part of the conversation. We know that when we talk about a specific time in the past. So I sold the potatoes in the market one time. I said in the last video that I sold the bananas. No, I sold the potatoes in the market about wow 30 years ago, probably 30 years or more. Yeah? I sold the potatoes, garlic, and potatoes, garlic. There was and onions. Yeah, I sold the potato, garlic, and onions in the market. Probably 40 years ago. Man, I'm getting old. I'm getting old. Yeah, I'm getting older. I'm getting older. Yeah. So I sold it. I need to say the time. I will sell is just to put will in front of the present, and you have the future simple. Something that I'm gonna do. Something that I'm gonna do. Now remember, there are two kinds of future. One future is this one here. The first future is the one that I gonna do. I will do something that I just decided now. For example, you ask me, what you gonna do? What are you going to do? And I think, well, I will go to Batuba tomorrow. I will go to Batuba tomorrow. I took the decision now. So this is decision now. I will go to Batuba tomorrow. Now, the second future is when I use the continuous. I'm going to Batuba tomorrow. I'm planning. I'm thinking to go. When I'm thinking to do something, I'm gonna use the second future, the second way of say something about the future. I'm going to study tonight. I'm going to watch a movie in the cinema or in the movie theater. I'm going to we use a lot. We use will only if I decided now what to do in the future, or if I have a prevision about something that's gonna happen. Man, it's cloudy, it will rain. It's cloud, it will rain, né? Tá nublado, choverá. All right. So those two ways of use will. When I decide now, or when I preview something, is a prevision. And the other way to use a future is using I'm going to. I am going to. I'm going to go to the city. Some people use it like that. Don't feel too much too cool to use that, but people use. I'm going to study. I'm going. Okay, continuous. It's always what I'm doing now. What I'm doing uh, now, yesterday, or in the future. In the present, I am selling. I'm selling bananas. I'm selling tomatoes. I'm selling. So it's what I'm doing now. I am studying. I am teaching now. I am teaching now. In the past, I don't have to say the time. It's just the time is part of the past. I was teaching yesterday. I was teaching English to many people in the past. I was teaching English to a lot of people in the past. I was teaching. And in the future, I will be teaching. I will be teaching. Uh, I will be making more videos teaching English. I will be, because will be is the future of to be. Future of to be. I will be. And ing, I will be studying tomorrow. I will be, it's something that I will be doing. I will be doing. Always continuous. It's something that you are doing, present. You were doing it, past. You will be doing it in the future. Now, perfect. So I use the perfect when I talk about the past. Yes, the perfect is about the present is about the past. The present perfect is about the past. Yeah, it's about the past. But I don't say the time or the time is unfinished. Like I have sold potatoes many years ago. I didn't say the time. Many years ago. I didn't say when. So when I don't say when, I just use the perfect. I have sold the potatoes in the market. Period. I have sold the potatoes in the market. Period. Uh, the past, I had sold the potatoes in the market when now I have to say one past before another past. One past before another past. I had sold potatoes when I was in the seminary. When I was in the seminary, I was selling potato when I was in the college, in campus dos Goitacazes. When I was in the college, I paid my college with working at the marketplace. I had sold. And this is the future. When I'm talking about something that is going to happen, is going that in the future has happened. In the future has happened. For example, always I have to go to the future first. For the future, like by December or in the end of this year, or when I get older, or something that I'm gonna put a point in the future. A point in the future. That is the point in the future. At that point in the future, I will have done something in the past in relation to that future. For example, by the end of this year, I will have sold my house. By the end of this year, I will have sold my house. Yeah? Até o final do ano, eu terei vendido minha casa. I hope so. It's not my house; it's my daughter's house. But that's the way that we use the future perfect. The future perfect. I will have sold. I will have done. By the end of this year, I will have done a lot of videos. I hope. Okay, that's the perfect. The perfect continuous, we know, is only when there is duration. I have been, I have been taping videos for 2 years. I have been taping videos for 2 years. So eu tenho estado gravando vídeos por 2 anos. So, continuous duration. Sometimes I stop 1 month or 2 months, but in the average, na média, in the average, I have been taping videos for 2 years, or I have been taping videos since 2018, since 2018. Now, I had been is a continuous duration in the past. I had been teaching. I had been teaching English in another school for, I believe, 2 years. I had been teaching English in another school for 2 years when they closed it. When they closed. Here is a past before another past. So I had been teaching English in another school for 2 years when they closed the school. And then we start our own school. And the last one, the future, is will have been selling. It's something that I in the future, in a point of the future, here in the future, in a point of the future, I will have been doing something. Eu terei estado fazendo alguma coisa for a period of time, for a continuous period of time. For example, by the end of this year, I will have been teaching English for 6 years and a half. 6 years and a half here at Evaristo Método Direto. That's the name that I gave to the course. First I had Inglês Taubaté, then I didn't like it, and so I changed for Evaristo Método Direto. So by the end of this year, I will have been teaching English in this school for 6 years and a half. All right, I hope you can listen this video again and again, and so you can so you know when to use the table of verbs. All right, thank you. See you around. Bye bye.